Everyone, since I don't have any opportunity to make new tutorials, I want to show you my old book, which was made 2 years ago, or maybe a little bit longer. And I want to show you the book, and I'm going to try to wash it in the washing machine, and you will see the result. So this is the book. As you may see it, here is a little stain. For all details I used Korean steel felt 1.2 millimeters. As you may see, it looks very nice still. Here I use Velcro fabric or loop fabric from AliExpress or from China, not the Korean one, and it looks very good as well. This is for the maze I used stiff tool, and as you may see, the child didn't rip it anywhere. See? Here Korean felt as well and loop fabric. For the fishes I used paper clips, and all are on their places. Here I used acrylic paints for fabric. It's washable, and the child actually played a lot with the fishes and played fishing game in the bathtub, in the bowl with the water, and as you may see, the paper clips, the felt, and the painting didn't change at all. But only that has changed is the magnet, but only because the child was playing in the water with the pole and the fishes. Next, yes, here with those math circles, the child played in the bathtub as well, and as you may see, they look very good, except one with the red stars, and the clear vinyl here is red, as you may see. Here I used loop fabric. Here I used hard tulle, 2 layers of it. Zipper is on its place. Next, here everything is okay. The numbers I made of heat transfer vinyl. See, everything is on its place as it should be. Here buttons also are on their places. See, the elastic is still tight. Here I use loop fabric as well, and here is the maze. I used 1 layer of hard tulle and heat transfer iron on stickers here. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to wash the book in the washing machine, but first I need to take off all the removable details. And I'm going to use bag for the washing machine, and I'm going to put all details into the bag. Set on hand wash or delicate wash. Here I have wool hand wash. The temperature 30 and no spin. So I noticed that while it's washing on wool, actually it's not washing. The book is just laying in the soapy water, and I decided to change here to 400. So I will try just to change. Okay. This is the book after washing machine. As you may see, it looks actually very good. It's still wet, and when it's dry I will iron it. And the details. So all the details I'm going to lay on the towel, and I will let them dry, and the book I will hang on the balcony. I will open it, and when it's dry I will iron it. So I washed everything yesterday, and I left all details to dry till this morning, and now everything is dry and I may gather all details into the book. And this is the book. As you may see, it looks actually very nice. I expected it will be worse. I just need to iron it a little bit and it will be as good as new one. So no steam, and set the iron to the cotton. Actually there is no need to iron it, because as you may see it looks very nice. Be careful with the elastic cords, don't iron it. Here I used acrylic paint for fabric here and here to paint the eyes, and this is heat transfer vinyl. So after washing, nothing has happened really. This is soft mirror. You may use it for your quiet books. I will give you the link below this video to where you may purchase this kind of mirror, and it's adhesive, and you may cut any shape you want and stick on to the fabric and stitch it. Sewing machine sews very well. I mean, the glue on the back side of the mirror doesn't stick to the needle while you are sewing. So this is it. The book is clean and neat, as good as new one. Regarding the pages, here I used cotton and loop fabric. This one from I purchased on AliExpress. For the pages, here I used fabric stiffened with fusible interfacing, woven, heavyweight. Between two pages, I mean this one page backed with fusible interfacing. Here I have Velcro fabric backed with fusible interfacing. And between two pages there is one layer of polyester batting. Thickness of the batting is 10 millimeters. So what I want to say, if you first you need to press shrink your fabric before you start making quiet book. You need to press shrink your fusible interfacing. You need to use right temperature to apply fusible interfacing onto the fabric. If you use woven one, you need to use dry iron to apply the fusible interfacing. So if you do everything right, you will be sure that after washing the book will remain as a new one. So this is it. Thank you for watching, and bye bye.